Good evening, everybody. We are back with another delicious video. In this particular video, we will be making homemade shrimp fried rice without a stove. First, we'll be using my wonderful air fryer. I'm cutting up the jalapeno peppers. I'm sorry, I realized at the last minute the camera wasn't focused on my hand. But anyway, that's what I'm doing. I'm cutting up the jalapeno pepper. I'm also cutting up a half a green onion, which are going to be two of the ingredients that I will be using in this particular dish. We will also be using mixed vegetables, a little under a half a cup, as well as jasmine rice. The seasonings are going to be Old Bay and Dash no salt seasoning. And we're going to hop right on in. Here we have the green onion. There we have the jalapeno peppers. Here we have the shrimp. Now the shrimp I cut up into about three because it's only me, so I didn't really want to go into a bunch of whole shrimp. There you go. The shrimp are cut up. I'm gonna do the Dash no salt seasoning. We know that I'm careful on my salt intake, and so this is what it is for me, and so far, so good. We're gonna go ahead and sprinkle that. We're gonna go in with a little bit of Old Bay. Yes, we are going to use Old Bay today. For the most part, that's a lot of people go to seasoning. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. It really don't matter to me. Whatever I use, it's delicious. And I'm okay with that. So we're going to mix it around and make sure all of the shrimp are seasoned nicely and lightly. Again, you season according to how you want your food to taste. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add the jalapeno peppers. I'm going to add the green onion, just like that. So I'm excited. It was delicious, y'all, if I must say so myself. I usually don't do my video until I'm sure what it tastes like. I went ahead and I put it in an aluminum pan, put it into the air fryer. I let it cook for about 20-25 minutes because I wanted it to cook well. I added the water into the rice cooker. I'm going to add a little bit of soy sauce just to give it that color. And we're going to go from there. Along the way, I end up taking the vegetables out of the pan because I didn't like how it was cooking. So I decided to just lay it flat on the foil and let it go from there. And so I'm going to pour the shrimp mixture into the rice cooker, which is the shrimp, the vegetables, and I didn't put oil on the sheets, and it's okay because I wanted it to have like a brown color to it. So that worked out fine. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Throw that out really quickly. I'm going to add a little bit of jasmine rice, not even a half a cup, a little less than a half a cup. Again, keep in mind that I'm cooking for me, for one. So when doing yours, you add enough rice that's going to please your family or the members in your home that are wanting to try this dish. I'm going to take and I'm going to mix up the vegetables with the rice so that it can get all between the rice as it's doing its cooking process. Again, I would not kid y'all not. It had a nice little kick on it from the jalapeno peppers. I mean, I enjoyed it. I would do it again. So I'm going to let that go ahead and cook. Going to put a little bit more water in here just to kind of cover it just a little bit. Just a little bit. Not even a half a cup. Going to stir it again to get it to kind of cover up everything in the pot. From a little bit more seasoning, guys. I didn't taste it yet, but I know I added more water. And when you add more water, it takes away the seasoning. So I'm going to cover it up and I'm going to go ahead and turn my rice cooker on. Now, I don't know about your rice cooker, but mine will stop when it's time. And that is the finished recipe. Y'all be blessed. Like, share, subscribe to the channel. Let me know if there's something else you guys would like to see. Catch you on the next one. Later.